Yes, we all agree. The scenario is difficult, especially when you are dependent on that cash to get you through the day. So, if you're a Novo user or thinking about opening an account, you might be wondering, what exactly is the withdrawal limit? Can you grab a big chunk of cash all at once, or are there restrictions? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Novo Bank withdrawal limits. We will provide you with some advice on how to make the most of your access to the money you have worked so hard to acquire, as well as break down the specifics and discover any hidden expenses. Now, Novo is a challenger bank, which means they operate a little differently than traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. They focus on online banking and mobile app functionality, offering a convenient and tech-savvy experience for business owners and freelancers. But what about ATMs? Since Novo doesn't have its own network of ATMs, you'll be relying on out-of-network machines to access your cash. Here's where things get interesting. The good news. Novo is all about transparency. They don't have any hidden fees when it comes to withdrawals. That's right, no sneaky charges for using an out-of-network ATM. But there is a limit to how much cash you can withdraw per day. Here's the key takeaway. You can snag up to $1,000 per day from any ATM. So, if you need a quick stack of bills, Novo has you covered, within reason of course. However, it's important to remember that ATM operators themselves might have their own withdrawal limits. These can vary depending on the bank that owns the ATM, so it's always a good idea to check the screen before you insert your card. Nothing worse than getting all excited about grabbing cash, only to find the ATM itself has a lower limit than you anticipated. Now, let's say you need more than $1,000 in a single day. Maybe you're paying a contractor or need a large sum for an unexpected expense. What are your options? Here are a couple of alternatives. Make a bank transfer. Novo offers free ACH transfers, which is a great way to move money electronically. This can be a secure and convenient option, especially for larger sums. Use a cash advance. Novo debit cards also come with cash advance functionality. This essentially allows you to withdraw cash from a merchant, think retailers or banks, up to a certain limit, but be aware, cash advance fees can be hefty, so this should only be used as a last resort. Here's a quick pro tip. If you know you'll need a larger amount of cash in advance, you can always contact Novo support and let them know. In some cases, they might be able to arrange a temporary increase on your daily withdrawal limit. Remember, communication is key. Novo prides itself on being a business-friendly bank, and that includes understanding the needs of its customers. So, if you have a legitimate reason for needing more than the standard daily limit, it's always worth reaching out and explaining your situation. So, to wrap it up, Novo offers a daily ATM withdrawal limit of $1,000 with no hidden fees. Be mindful of individual ATM operator limits and explore alternative options like bank transfers or cash advances for larger sums of money. And lastly, don't be afraid to contact Novo support if you have a specific need for a temporary limit increase. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching. And until we meet again, remember to keep yourself educated and in charge of your financial situation.